In today's video, I'm going to teach you Shopify POS tutorial for beginners. By the end, you'll have Shopify's point of sale added to your store, the mobile app installed on your device, and the basics of staff and locations ready to go. All you need is access to your Shopify admin and an iPhone, iPad, or Android device. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin. From the left sidebar, open the Apps section. Click the option to add an app, then choose to visit the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type POS and look for Shopify Point of Sale, the official app by Shopify. Open its page and follow the prompts to add it to your store. You'll see a few confirmation screens. Just continue and approve until you reach the Install button. Click Install and give it a moment to set up the POS sales channel in your admin. Once installed, you'll land on the POS sales channel overview. Here, find the option to get Shopify POS for iOS or Android. Click it, choose the platform for your device, and follow the prompts to download from the App Store or Google Play. If you're on a desktop, you can copy the link to your phone or scan the code shown. If you're on your device already, just tap through to install. Open the app and sign in with your Shopify credentials to connect it to your store. If you're prompted to confirm your country or region, pick the correct one for your business. This helps ensure payment hardware compatibility, taxes, and regional features work as expected. Back in the Shopify admin under the POS sales channel, go to Staff. Click Manage Users to review who can access POS and adjust their permissions so they can log in, take payments, and manage orders as needed. Make sure at least one staff member has the access they need before you start selling. Next, go to Locations. Click Add Location to create the place where you'll sell in person, like a retail shop or pop-up. Give it a clear name, enter the address, and later assign inventory to this location, so items are available to sell in POS. Finally, open the POS channel settings. From here, review relevant options and, if shown, check your channel availability alongside Online Store, so products appear where you expect. This is a good moment to verify that the items you plan to sell are available at your POS location. That's it. You've installed Shopify POS, set up the mobile app, reviewed staff access, created a location, and checked key settings. You're ready to start ringing up sales confidently.